Hello, this video is how to create Photoshop pictures by using Blender and Minecraft. So you first type Nova Skin in Google. Hit the first one. Then search your character. Make sure the eyes are not separated like these ones. So create a queue. I have created my folder, and this is the folder. It is a PNG file. Then, as you can see, we can see the eyes, and we do not want to do that. So, go right click on your image, open with Photoshop 2020. Then when you have that open, zoom in with the zoom button, which is control plus plus. And as you can see, this is how our Minecraft person will be. But for Blender, we do not need the eyes. To do that, get this drag square button and make sure it's about there. Control V. It should pop up. And Control V. Then you can drag it, and Control V, and you can drag it again. Then File, Export as, then Export. Then let's call it Mr. Pinker 1231. Then export it, and if you close it and save it on your computer, then as you can see, if you go to your file, you have the eyes are blinked. So when you open up Blender, and you need the MC Prep add-on for this. So if you go to your MC Prep add-on and you hit spawner, reload assets. So, and then open up the search bar and type player and get the first player, spawn a player. Then skin swapper, skin from file. Then when you have Minecraft skins, and type and get the remember to not double click. Then player, and skin swapper, skin from file, and downloads Minecraft skins, and Vinka, and so it is not working for some reason. So let's go to that file let's try. Let's try this. Create your player, and it doesn't have to be the Alex or Steve, just choose one. Skin swapper, skin, then drag and drop it here, and then it will work. So as you can see, you get the perfect. If you Control C and skin from file, then choose the, then it will look like this, which looks weird. So if you do that, it will look better. And render mode would also look good. When you move the face objects, there will not be any issues. As you can see with the eyebrows, nothing, the mouth, nothing, the mouth, nothing, the teeth, and let's try with the body. Let's turn IK for the arms. So nothing for the arms, but let's see for the fingers. For the legs, for the body, it works correctly. Yes, for all of the positions of the bones, it all works good. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.